बाई तुमची हांव कोत्तालो भुरगीं तुमी आसतना सोगल्याक तुमकां घेवन भोंवतालो त्रास काडल्यात हांवें म्हज्या जिवितांत बाई तुमची हांव कोत्तालो
Can we have the bridal parents please behind? Bridal parents please. Mr. and Mrs. Conceição and Mr. and Mrs. Fernandez. And ladies and gentlemen, we come to the best part of this wedding, the cutting of the cake. They had a lovely nuptials at our St. Alex Church, and now we have come to the best part of the wedding reception. So we ask Bob and Bernadine to cut the wedding cake. Let us give them a big count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No wedding is complete without a toast. And among us we have a very, very prominent person. Her name is Yvette Lobo. We call Mrs. Lobo to give us a toast.
को आणि बाय बनले आयज तुम्ही लग्न संस्कार जोडला तुमचे दोन्या देवाचो आशीर्वाद मागता आणि सगळ्यांच्या नावान तुमकां बरें येस हांव दिता आणि सगळ्यांक ग्लास वयर काढून cheers म्हणून.
Give them a rousing hand. As Bob and Bernadine for the first time come together, and we have them in our midst as they come together for the very first dance as husband and wife. Can we have the band? Pick up your partners and join. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have had your stomachs full, okay, and you have had a lot to drink, we now have to send you home. And before we send you home, please don't wish them now. Excuse me, don't wish them now, please. You can wish them at home. Okay? So we just before we break off, we'd like to give them a sound farewell. As the band takes off.
These goats were amazing. Can we have a round of applause for the goats? Okay, now we have the last team. And what team is that? Oink, 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 oink. Are the oinks ready? Ready? Oink, please come forward, please. And we are going to do a funeral scene. Oh my God. Did it?
Lalia Rodanga